This is question number 32 from the January 2017 Algebra 1 Regent. Nora says that the graph of a circle is a function because she can trace the whole graph without picking up her pencil. Mia says that a circle graph is not a function because multiple values of x map to the same y value. Determine if either one is correct and justify your answer completely. So we have to first remember, what is the definition of a function? A function is a special relation that every x value corresponds to only one y value. Now it's okay if one y value corresponds to more than one x values. That is still a function. So let's look at an example. Let's say we'd have the x of 4 corresponding to a y of 5. That's a function. But if we have an x of 4 corresponding to a y of 5 and to a y of 6, this is not a function. And let's look at over here. This is still a function if we have a y corresponding to more than one x value. So let's say we have a y of 4 corresponding to an x of 5, an x of 6, and an x of 7. This is still a function. Let's go back to the question. Nora says that the graph of a circle is a function because she can trace the whole graph without picking up her pencil. So if we have a graph, let's draw the graph of a circle. Say we have a circle graphed. When we have a graph, in order for a graph to be a function, it has to pass the vertical line test. The vertical line test is, if you draw a straight line down, if the line passes through the graph in more than one place, then it is not a function. Since this vertical line passes through the circle over here and over here, it's not a function, because that means that this x value over here corresponds to a y value over here and to a different y value over here. So it is not a function. So Nora is incorrect. Now let's look at what Mia says. Mia says the circle graph is not a function because multiple values of x map to the same y value. What Mia is saying, that she has multiple values of x that are corresponding to the same y value. Now this is still a function. So Mia is also wrong.